Hey, have you ever wondered how to make your downline work and duplicate? Because lots of times I hear network marketers say, and I was the one, like I was saying, oh, nobody's doing anything on my team. I'm the only one doing the business. So if that was you or you've heard that, you're not the only one. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some tools that will help you um, your downline actually start working independently of you always motivating them, and that will duplicate in your team. So if you're excited about that, stay tuned. I'm going to share some tools with you in this video. My name is Anna Strofnik, and I help network marketers grow thriving business online using attraction marketing so they can create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel, because here every single week I share a new video showing you and giving you tools on how to grow your business more successfully, save time, all that good stuff. And I also have a blog that is annastropnik.com. On there there's more free training just like this one, so plug in there if you like to read versus watch the videos, or you like both. So how do we motivate our downline so they actually do the work? So you probably know, if you're a leader of 1 or 2 or 100 or 1,000, you probably know how exhausting it is that you always have to do something, that you always have to initiate your team with different things that you come up with, so they actually stay motivated, they actually do something. Otherwise they just go into that witness protection program. You never hear from them, they don't do anything, you don't see them enrolling any customers, any distributors, and they don't attend trainings, right? So have you been in that boat? And I'm going to share with you simple tools that will help you actually get your downline excited and self-motivated. That's the main thing. It's like they actually have to be, because motivation comes within. No matter what we do on the outside, we cannot motivate them to do something. So how do we do that? But this is going to be a different angle, and you maybe didn't think about it this way. So we all know, right, what are the activities that we would love for our downline to do? What are the activities that build your business? It's like talking to prospects, right? Prospecting, following up. So all of those things that nobody wants to do. Have you ever thought about like that your people, your team, they actually don't enjoy and don't want to do the things that they need to do? So like prospecting, like talking to their friends and family, like going for no's, like following up until they drop dead or until they say yes, whatever. So those activities is not something that the person is gonna wake up in the morning and like, oh, let's go prospect 20 people, let's go follow up with like 10, let's go for no until I get the yes. Not many people are going to be motivated. It's a real push, it's a real push. And so how do you actually make somebody else do it, right? So they probably hate it. They probably hate this way of building a business. But the good news is it does not have to be that way. Is what I discovered myself is like after banging my head on the wall for so many years, like working my business, always being the one doing all the work, then I would get like new team members excited. Then after a while they would like stop working or like quit or put their business on the back burner. Then I would go ahead and have to enroll more people, always following up with people that are on the fence for years and years, and them like not responding to the messages. It's frustrating, right? And sometimes when you're on these like runs for your business and you're talking to like thousands of people and you only get like handful that actually do the work and join you, it can be really frustrating. So what I discovered and how I build my business now is I build it through attraction marketing, and I actually teach my team how to do attraction marketing. What's the best thing about attraction marketing is that you no longer have to prospect. And I also teach different ways on how to follow up, so you don't have to be in that trap of following up forever until they say yes while they're ignoring your messages. There's a better way to do all of that. So how would you like to build your business with tools that you actually enjoy, that your team is going to enjoy, they're excited about it, and it's like excitement to be building their business, to creating posts, but if they don't have to do the things that are comfortable, like bothering their family, like messaging strangers, call messaging strangers, just popping into their inbox, or going for no, or what's another thing? Yeah, following up. That's my that was my pain. I always felt like, oh, I have to follow up with this person like the fifth time, right? Have you ever felt like that? So that was exhausting for me. I did not have the right energy around my business when I had to follow up. So anyway, so an attraction marketing is very, very different. So one word in network marketing and attraction marketing is marketing. And this is what you need to start with, is you gotta learn marketing. So once you learn marketing, the business comes easy, because what marketing is, it's attracting people to you. So they are actually raising their hands, asking you for more information. So much better than you being always the initiator, right? So what is the first thing, and what is really what that every single business has in common, is that they build around what is called their target market. So every business does that. But why, as network marketers, we think that everyone is a prospect? No, everyone is not a prospect. And if you change that mindset, that you're looking for your perfect prospect, for your ideal prospect, not everyone is allowed to join your team, it's going to be very, very different. So just think about this as an example. So different people, like different target markets, go shopping in Walmart versus Whole Foods. Different people go to eat in a restaurant, in a fast food restaurant, in a food line, or in a fine dining restaurant, right? So it's a completely different market. And restaurant owners, fast food owners, all of them know how to brand and how to market to their specific target market, right? So that's what they do, and that's what we can do in in a network marketing business as well, especially building online. And you know how valuable learning marketing is, because even if you don't do network marketing, even if you know somebody who is in a traditional business or any type of business to that matter, you can help them, because the principles are the same. You can actually help them build their business by knowing attraction marketing. This is like the best college education that you can have, is to learn how to market online. Oh my gosh, everyone needs this. So there's a big need in the market for that. So I hope that that makes sense. So how can you do it? There's like paid ways to market, right? And then there's organic ways. But there's never been a better time in the world to be able to promote and market your business using just organic, using non-paid strategies. I do this every day in my business, and oh my gosh, so I'll tell you a secret. What that is the short-term video right now. Like what TikTok has, like what Reels are, YouTube Shorts. That short-term content is what people like love right now. Especially it started like during the pandemic, where people are no longer interested in listening to like long content, because our attention is like 3 seconds, right? So we love like scrolling down and watching those like little short videos. So you can market, you can get in front of thousands of people with every single like few clip video. I just did my batch of my reels, so I pre-record them, which is super, super easy, and I can show you how to do that. So I pre-recorded 9 videos last night. It took me less than an hour to do so. Now all I have to do, I have content for 9 days. All I have to do is just, create the text, edit them a little bit, and they're done, ready to go. So that will take me 5 minutes to post. So how cool is that? That you have these tools, but you gotta learn them, you gotta use them. All right. So what we do in attraction marketing is, first we create a target market. We create what is our hub, what is like really the people that are likely going to be interested in our business, and we build that network. The next thing that we have to do is we gotta optimize our social media, so it's speaking to that network. So everything like in your bio, in your whole hub, it needs to be speaking like with the value that you provide, with your content, with everything that like the first impression that they see, like your profile picture, your cover photo, your bio, everything needs to be speaking to that target market, and they will want to know more. So think of your social media profile, no matter what it is, it's Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, it's your business card. So whatever is like in the front of your business card, like the first 5 posts, whatever they can see immediately, this is how they're going to make opinion of you. So it's really, really great to have that in place. So when you are like learning this target market and connecting with your target market, that when they see you, they will want to connect with you. And then what we do is we do something called attract, influence, and enroll. So we attract our target market, which is like your new network that is highly qualified, like people that go shopping in Walmart, people that go shopping in Target. It's a highly qualified a target market for you. And now you're building influence. So influence doesn't mean that you are going to be like building authority. Influence is really bringing in value. They see you as a resource, as a valuable resource. They trust you, they like you, they feel like they know you, because especially if you're going on videos, they can actually see you. How many times if you saw somebody on the video and then you met them in person, you already feel like you know them, because you know how they talk, how they act, what they look like, what their facial expressions are. It's so much easier to build trust and credibility by doing videos than it is if you don't. So that's another hint there. So you're building that influence, and then when you enroll, you actually have, based on what you've built, you can post anything, like people, whatever you're promoting, people will want to buy from you if that's something that they immediately need, and they will be reaching out to you. So because you provided so much value, you're that trusted source that they want to go to for advice, and they know that what you recommend is likely going to help them solve their problem. So this was helpful. Let me know. I go here, I post a video here once a week, so consider subscribing to this channel, and also hit that notification button so you don't actually miss it. And if you like to learn more about how attraction marketing works, somewhere around this video I have a free attraction marketing bootcamp, so you can click on it and get signed up and learn how to automate your business, how to actually have your downline do the work, because they're going to be doing things that they enjoy doing and grow much faster. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much.